How to earn passive income with crypto. Welcome back to CryptoSmooth. Cryptocurrency is here to stay, but is it too late to get in the game? We've all heard the tales of those hodlers who jumped into crypto early and stayed the course. Many early investors managed to rake in hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars for small investments. But at the outset, crypto was very uncertain and understood by few. Most investors either missed the boat or invested little into this opportunity. Even if you missed out on the early rise, it's not too late to make money on crypto. Today, we're taking a look at investments and strategies that even newcomers to this tech can use to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Interest-bearing crypto accounts. A new form of generating passive income using crypto that has only arisen in the last few years is interest-bearing cryptocurrency accounts. BlockFi, for example, enables digital asset holders to earn an annual yield of 6.2% on their holdings by storing them in a so-called BlockFi Interest Account, BIA. Accepted cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, and a minimum deposit of 1 BTC or 25 ETH is required. BlockFi uses the deposited funds to lend to institutional and corporate borrowers on an over-collateralized basis to ensure loan performance. Celsius Network, a decentralized finance (DeFi) platform, shares up to 80% of its revenues with the Celsius community in the form of weekly interest payments, up to 13.3% APY on coins deposited on its platform. Cryptocurrency interest accounts enable you to receive passive income in the form of regular interest payments while you hodl your coins. Staking POS coins. Proof of stake (POS) cryptocurrencies secure the blockchains by having users stake coins, locking or holding your coins in a crypto wallet, as opposed to contributing computing power to the network, as is the case in proof-of-work chains like Bitcoin. In exchange for securing the network and processing transactions through staking, holders are rewarded with newly minted cryptocurrency. Staking POS coins has, therefore, become a popular way to earn interest on crypto asset holdings. Long-term hodlers are particularly fond of staking their coins, as it can add potential returns to their investment portfolios. Before staking coins such as NEO, Redcoin, RDD, or Komodo, KMD, for example, you can earn around 5% interest per annum on your holdings. Staking cryptocurrencies is an excellent way to earn passive income, but it does require a certain amount of technical expertise. It is essential to familiarize yourself with the process of staking for the particular cryptocurrency project you want to get involved with before investing time and money into the passive income opportunity. Running masternodes. Similar to staking proof-of-stake (POS) cryptocurrencies, you could also run masternodes. A masternode is a type of node in a blockchain network that performs particular functions. These nodes are generally established by dedicated community members and require an initial investment of staked coins to set up, among other requirements. The privacy-focused digital currency Dash launched the first masternode to facilitate its private send feature. To set up a Dash masternode, a user has to lock up 1,000 Dash, currently worth $230,000. In return, a Dash masternode operator receives a return on investment of 6.45% and has a say in the project's governance decisions. While running a Dash masternode is too expensive for the average cryptocurrency investors, there are a large number of other masternodes that can be set up. According to Masternodes Online, there are over 250 masternode coins. Leading altcoins such as PivX, Zcoin, and Horizon, for example, enable users to operate a masternode with a respectable ROI without initial investment in the six figures. To operate a PivX masternode, only 10,000 PivX are required, which currently cost around $15,000, and holders can expect an over 10% yield per annum. Peer-to-peer Bitcoin lending. If you prefer a more hands-on approach and the potential to earn higher levels of interest, you can also engage in crypto lending as a way to generate passive income. On crypto-powered peer-to-peer lending platforms, you can lend cryptocurrency to crypto businesses or professional crypto traders who are in need of funding. On BTC Pop, for example, you can lend digital assets on a peer-to-peer basis to other marketplace participants and earn interest. Unlike traditional lenders, BTC Pop uses a reputation system as opposed to a credit score. Of course, lending cryptocurrency carries risk, as the borrower could default on your loan. Hence, it is essential to diversify your crypto loan portfolio to a number of loans and look at each borrower in detail before handing over your coins. If you are comfortable with the concept and the risk profile of peer-to-peer lending, platforms like BTC Pop provide an excellent passive income opportunity for crypto holders. Yield farming. Besides lending, yield farming is another way that users can earn passive income in the DeFi markets. Yield farming is the process of depositing digital assets in a trading or lending pool and then staking the protocol's token to earn additional returns. For example, if you are yield farming on the popular Binance Smart Chain-powered yield farm, PancakeSwap, you have to deposit 2 tokens into a trading pool to receive income from trading fees, and a pool token, called LP token, that you can then stake to earn yield farming returns paid out on the protocol's token, called Cake. Yield farming is a very risky venture, and not something for investors with a low risk tolerance. It is, therefore, essential to conduct a bit more research before starting to yield farm as a passive income generating activity. Lending to margin traders. If peer-to-peer loans are a little too risky for your personal risk preference, you can also lend cryptocurrency to margin traders on leading digital asset exchanges such as Bitfinex and Poloniex. On Bitfinex, for example, you can lend both fiat and cryptocurrency to margin traders who are borrowing to fund their leveraged trades. In exchange for lending to margin traders, you will earn daily interest. The average daily funding rate for BTC, for example, stood at 0.003537% at the time of writing. Accumulated over several weeks, this compounds to a substantial annualized yield for lenders. Lending to margin lenders on exchanges is therefore an excellent way to earn passive income using cryptocurrency. Cloud mining. Arguably, the most known and perhaps also the most controversial method of earning passive income with cryptocurrencies is through so-called cloud mining. Cloud mining refers to the renting of digital currency mining hardware at specialized mining farms to enable individuals to receive regular cryptocurrency mining income without having to own and maintain mining hardware. In exchange for providing this service, cloud mining operators, such as Genesis Mining or Hashnet, charge a daily maintenance fee on their cloud mining contracts. While cloud mining may sound like the ultimate passive income solution for cryptocurrency users, it is essential to note that historically, investors have been better off buying and holding digital assets than investing in cloud mining contracts. The payback period of cloud mining can take well over a year, and there is a risk that during that time, the value of the coin could drop below a point where it is no longer profitable to mine. At this point, the cloud mining contract is usually canceled by the operator. While cloud mining provides a convenient passive income opportunity for cryptocurrency investors, it comes with a substantial amount of risk due to fluctuating crypto prices and mining difficulties. Running a Lightning Network node. Another excellent way that you can earn passive income with crypto is by running a Lightning Network node. The Lightning Network, LN, is a second-layer technology that has the ability to amplify the number of transactions while keeping the fees low. As an off-chain payments network, it means that transactions can be handled independently without having to be processed by the blockchain. Only the starting and ending balances are recorded on-chain. Over the last few years, cryptocurrency adoption has been on the rise, and one of the most constantly asked questions is whether cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin will be able to handle the millions of transactions done daily. The simple answer is yes, via second-layer solutions like the Lightning Network. What's more, LN users can earn crypto passive income by running a Lightning node. With a Lightning node, users can create Lightning payment channels that can be utilized by other users to process payments over the Lightning Network. This way, users can receive transaction fees for the payments they process via their channels. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.